Okay, so I'm gonna be making a pizza with this dough. I got it at Trader Joe's. It's garlic and herb pizza dough. I believe it's $1 something or $2 or under that. So it seems like a good deal. And so I'll just go ahead and open this up. So I already made a few pizzas from, well, smaller pizzas from another bag of this dough that I've gotten. So right now I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'm just going to use some. So I think I made 3 small pizzas, personal size pizzas from this. So and then you just put it back in the fridge. So you just roll it. If you want to do an exact round ball, you might want to use a rolling pin, but if you want it just easy and fast, you just roll it somewhat with your hands. And then I have my pan here. The pan's stained, it's washed, but it's stained from, I don't know if I put tomato on it at some point, some sort of recipe or what happened, but yeah. Anyways, I'm buttering the pan. Actually a non-stick, some sort of non-stick pan. It's, I think it's like is it PFAS free or something like that? I don't know. Anyways, so I'll just spread out the dough in the pan, or you could just use, a rolling pin. But I'm fine with doing just this. And I like to just do it in the pan so I don't have to move it. And I don't want the toppings to fall off or something like that. So anyways, then you can get your tomatoes. I'm doing cherry tomatoes, and do about 4 of them. We could do 5 of them, and then I'm gonna rinse them in the sink. So I was filming on my phone before. With this, it's my tablet, but my phone got very full. I had to stop using my phone somewhat for now, and then I'm just going to be filming like this. And so you just cut up your tomatoes. I was cutting mine into 4s. So, or more than that. 4ths or 6ths, depends on the size of your tomato. If they're cherry tomatoes, it's, just cut them into small pieces. Or you can use tomato sauce, which I didn't get, but you just put them on your pizza dough. So cut these up. So it's very simple ingredients. I'm sure you could make your own pizza dough with flour, salt, and sugar, maybe a little oil, and water, and yeast, I guess. This seems like an affordable option too. It's tasty. I like the garlic one. There's a plain one as well there. And I never tried it till this year. These little bags of dough. I'm not sure if there's like how long you have before you have to use them. But I just bought this one, so yeah. So put your tomato slices on there. Yeah, so then I'm just gonna put some black pepper, salt, sprinkle it. And we have Italian seasoning. And this one has, let's show you these ingredients. Sprinkle that on there. It's like tomato sauce would have those ingredients. Well, pizza sauce, I believe, would have something like that. Probably some oregano or something. But, and then I have this shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Go ahead and sprinkle that on there. And I leave some room for the outside, but I don't like it too far in. So with the toppings, it's just personal preference, I think. Sort of. Yeah, so anyways, I put them in the oven for what it says on the package, which is preheated to, let's see, 475. And then 475 for 8 to 10 minutes. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and do that, and that's what I put on my pizza.